show me. As long as your body's near, I don't care. And show me, as long as your body's near, I don't care. And show me, as long as your body's near, I don't care. Y lo hacemos otra vez. Y lo hacemos otra vez.
Let's learn Fantasia Fusion. It's choreographed by Shane McKeever and Fred Whitehouse. It is a 32 count, 2-wall intermediate level line dance with a tag on the ends of walls 2, 4, and 6. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the tag and where it happens and the ending, and then we're going to go through and dance 7 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Fantasia Fusion. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to step out, right and left, stepping that right foot forward into the right diagonal, step your left foot into the left diagonal. We're now going to do a right lock, step back, stepping back with your right, cross your left over your right, and step back with your right. We're now going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side to face 9 o'clock, and then touch your right next to your left. We're now going to do an 8th turning scissor step. So you're going to step your right foot to the right side. You're going to bring your left foot in and next to your right, taking weight onto your left foot. And then you're going to make an 1/8 of a turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot into the 730 diagonal. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your out. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to rock our left foot forward, recover back onto your right. We're now going to do a behind side forward. It's going to end you into the 1030 diagonal. So you're going to step your left foot behind your right. You're going to make an 1/8 of a turn over your right shoulder as you step your right foot to the right side to face 9 o'clock. And then make an 1/8 of a turn over your right shoulder, stepping your left foot forward into the 1030 diagonal. We're now going to touch our right toe forward. And as we touch our right toe forward, you're going to bump your right hip forward twice. So you're touching that right toe forward. You're going to bump your hip forward. We're now going to do a step back with our right and then step your left next to your right. Now the hand motion for that back together part. After you do your hips, when you step back with your right, you're going to have your hands come in and out, kind of like in a figure 8 motion. So when you come in, that right hand's going to come over your left and then it's going to come out. So you want to make a figure 8, bringing them both up, then down, and then crossing them over. And then you're going to end with your fingers by your sides. So let's just try that part of our step back. So we would have just touched that right toe forward. Let's do that step back with your arm motion. So it's back together. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your right foot into the 730 diagonal. You're going to rock and then do your behind side forward. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do 2 walks forward into the 1030 diagonal, stepping right, left. We're now going to do a rocking chair. When you rock forward with your right foot, you want to use the ball of your feet so you're kind of coming up on your toes. So we're gonna rock forward with that right foot, slightly coming up on our toes, recover back onto your left, dropping that heel. Then you're gonna rock back with your right and recover onto your left. We're now gonna step forward with our right foot. You're gonna do a half pivot over your left shoulder, keeping your weight onto your right foot. You're gonna sit down over that right foot and kind of lift that left foot up. It should be touching the floor, but your heel should be slightly up. Now we're facing that 430 diagonal. You're going to do a left step lock, step forward, stepping that left foot forward, bring your right foot in and behind your left, and step your left foot forward. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our back together, so weight is on your left foot. We're doing our 2 walks. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're gonna rock forward into the 430 diagonal with our right. We're going to recover back onto our left, and as we do that, we're going to sweep our right from front to back, making an 1/8 of a turn over your right shoulder to face 6 o'clock. You're now going to do a right coaster step, stepping your right foot back, left together, right forward. We're now going to do toe switches, so you're going to point your left toe to the left side, step your left next to your right, point your right toe to the right side. We're now going to quickly step back with our right foot, slightly sitting back over this right, and touch your left toe forward. We're now going to recover onto our left, and as we put our weight on our left, you're going to flick your right foot back, and that is the whole dance. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our left lock step, so you're going to do your rock 8th sweep. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your out, out. So it's out, out, back, lock, back, quarter, touch, 8, scissor, step, rock, recover, behind, side, forward, touch, and bump, bump, back together. Now it's your walk, walk, and your rocking chair, and your step, half sit, and your lock, step, forward, rock, recover, 8th sweep, coaster, step, point, step back and touch, recover, flick. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your out, out. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the tag. The tag is going to happen on the ends of walls 2, 4, and 6. So the first time we do it, you'll be finishing your 6 o'clock wall, doing the full 32 counts, coming to 12 o'clock, and you will do this 8 count tag. The music slows down for this tag. So although it is syncopated steps, you want to make sure that you're doing them nice and slow. So the tag, weight will be on your left foot because we would have just flicked. We're going to step forward with our right foot. You're now going to do a quarter scissor step, making a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side, step your right next to your left, and then cross your left over your right. We're now going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping back with our right foot to face 12 o'clock, and then make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 6 o'clock. We're going to rock forward with our right foot, recover back onto your left, and then step back with your right. You're now going to rock back with your left, recover onto your right. You're going to make a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 12 o'clock. Now, when we start the dance over again, this is technically 8 and. When we start the dance over again, you're going to have to make an additional half turn over your right shoulder, and you're going to go right into your out, out. So as we turn over that right shoulder, when you go to step with your right, you're going to step into the diagonal for 1, 2, 3, and 4, and you will start the dance over again. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're stepping with your right. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1. Going right into your out, out, back, lock, back to start the next wall. So when you're doing this tag, you really want to slow down your steps. So this whole 8 counts are going to feel dramatically slower than the regular 32 counts of the dance. It is not until that final additional half turn where your step is going to speed up slightly so that you can go into that out, out step. So now, the first tag will happen on the end of wall 2. You will do the tag facing 12 o'clock. It will bring you to 6, where you will start the next wall. The next time you do the tag will be the end of wall 4. So you'll do the tag facing 6 o'clock and it will bring you back to 12 o'clock. Your final one will be the end of wall 6. So that will be a 12 o'clock facing start of the tag and it will bring you back to 6 o'clock. After that, you don't have to worry about anything else because the dance ends facing 12 o'clock. So let's do the tag to 6 o'clock just so you can practice both directions that it happens on. Weight will be on your left. You just did your flick. We're going to step forward. So it's step, quarter, scissor, step, quarter, half, rock, recover, back, rock, back, recover, half, and then do that additional half turn to go into your out, out, back, lock, back. Now let's talk about the ending. The dance is going to end facing 12 o'clock after you do your point, step back with your sit and your touch. Right here is where your dance is going to end. What you're going to do is bring both arms up over your head and you're going to rotate them from forward around to the back and have them facing up, kind of like in a light bulb screwing motion. So you're going to sit and bring both arms up and then just kind of curve them up so that you can end the dance in your sitting motion, and that is your ending. So now let's go around. On the front wall, I'm going to do steps. Back wall, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 7 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition from the tags into their next walls. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your out, out. So it's out, out, back, lock, back, quarter, touch, 8, scissors, step, rock, recover, behind, side, forward, touch and bump, bump, back, together, walk, walk, rocking chair, step, half sit with your lock step forward, rock, recover, 8, sweep, coaster, step, point, step back, touch, forward, flick. At the end of this wall, you're going to do your tag. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Do your tag, step, quarter, scissor, step, quarter, half, rock, recover, step back, rock, back, recover, half, half, go into your next wall, out, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. At the end of this wall, you will do your tag. Out, out, back, lock, back, quarter, touch, 8, scissors, step, rock, recover, behind, side, forward, touch and bump, bump, back, together, walk, walk, rocking chair. Now your step, half sit, lock, step forward, rock, recover, 8, sweep, coaster, step, point, step back, touch, do your step, flick, do your tag. It's 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, out, out, back, lock, back, quarter, touch, 8, scissors, step, rock, recover, behind, side, forward, touch and bump, bump, back, together, walk, walk, rocking chair. Now your step, half sit, lock, step forward, rock, recover, a sweep, coaster, step, point, step back, touch and flick. At the end of this wall, you will do your final tag. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Do your tag, step, quarter, scissors, step, quarter, half, rock, recover, step back, rock, back, recover, half, half to your out, out, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Fantasia Fusion. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Junta tu boca con la mía, esto es una fantasía, yo no quiero parar. Vamos tan duro que algún día vendrá la policía, esto no se puede controlar. Ese calor cuando tu cuerpo me toca, hace que tenga la cabeza muy loca, bajo la luz de neón se me nota. Dame ese ritmo pone callejero, un movimiento que nos lleva al suelo, dropping it down como si llueve dinero. We can take it slowly, you can rush and show me, as long as your body's near, I don't care. Que lo hacemos otra vez. Que lo hacemos otra vez. Siento en mis venas el veneno, amor se siente bueno, vuélveme una vez más. Ese calor cuando tu cuerpo me toca, hace que tenga la cabeza muy loca, bajo la luz de neón se me nota. We can take it slowly, you can rush and show me, as long as your body's near, I don't care. Que lo hacemos otra vez. Que lo hacemos otra vez. You can take it slowly, you can rush and show me, as long as your body's near, I don't care.